it's me again. So this is my I finished my microdermabrasion and then firming and lifting to my face and for the wrinkles and stuff, so I don't have any see, I just had my warm water hot. Now this is my gold eye mask. So I'm started to put it in my face. No, not in my face, in my eye. This is the eye mask. So after this, I'm going to, wow, this is so good. It's very jelly. It's super cool. Look at that. So I put it in here. Looks cool. See? It's so nice. I want to buy this more. I love it. It's so cool. Oh my god. What has been done will be done again. There is nothing new under the sun. Because when you judge a person, you begin a cycle of energy that goes to the person and returns to you. And it keeps on going around until you break away from that cycle. Yung mga nag-aaway, lagi nag-aaway. Bakit yung babaeng lagi naliligo sa paligid? Bukas na naman ang bingo. Next week siya na naman. Pakulit-ulit. Meron siyang pakulit-ulit na iniisip. Oh, it's just putting down. I don't know why. Let me have a look at this one. And then I'm gonna put it. Oh my god, look at me. Yeah, ta-da! And then I have my gold face mask. So this is all gold. Oh. So it's all my gold thing. Very, this is very nice. It smells so good. It smells so good, like super gold. So this is my beauty day for today. After my hair, I'm planning to put my wax thing, in our women's area, my bikini, but I don't think I'm gonna do this today, the waxing, because I'm feel just like I'm focusing in my face and my hair. Maybe some other time the bikini wax. Everything I do it myself, guys. I cut my hair, I put color in my hair, I highlight my hair, curling, straightening, anything I've done myself. And then do my face, and then do my nails. Oh my god, it's full. I didn't realize that one. So sorry about that. So, yeah. So I don't know if it's enough. Let's see. This one is good, but this other side is falling. I love this gold thing. It's super nice. So So it's really gold, by the way. I don't know if it shows me that. Oh my god, this is like gold in this. This is like super. Because Jacob means heel grabber. But the real meaning is Jacob means one who receives. This one is not sticking. I don't know why it's not sticking. So that Jacob fulfilled its enough. Has to stick on my eye. So yeah. So this is it. I can't smile that much. I have my color hair, eye face, gold face, and then mask, and then eye gold face mask, eye gold mask as well. But we'll see. I'll show you later when it's finished. See ya. Hello guys. Yeah, so I just finished my shower, done my hair. I just a little curl, so this is my color. And then my face. Yeah, so I didn't have any foundation. I just put only a little blush, so you know it's too white. And I put this eyebrows, a little eyeliner. I love, you know, that as you can see, I love blue color. I think I'm in love with the blue. So I'm wearing blue. The dress that I sew, I made it. And then my polish is blue. My eyeliner is blue. And I put light lipstick. So this is the effect of my facial, not facial, like dermabrasion, microdermabrasion. That's it. And then yeah, so that's it. So tiny, you know, very light, so it looks very natural. So my hair, so I've done just only in the front. I do a little curl because it's too boring always straight tie your hair every day, like, oh my god, like super it's boring, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm just try to wear my sandals inside in the house just for fun. See, look at my blue liner. Nice, right? A bit, I mean, for change, why not? So I'm going to cook a pancit, the biko, and I have my lumpiang Shanghai there, and siopao, and make chocolate cake, me and Lexine, because today it's my papa's birthday in heaven. So that's my tradition. Every 30th of April every year, that's his birthday. So I had to do that, as always. I think I do that since he was died, you know. Since he died, I do that for like 11 years, I think. So yeah, so I'm going to the kitchen. So this is my bathroom. It's a very massive. No, it's very, I don't like it because it's messy. And we have a jacuzzi here. If I'm in the mood, I'm gonna do jacuzzi, you know. And then a walk-in closet over there, huge, as in huge, nice. I really like it. All my dresses there, so hung. And I'm so happy because see my dress that I made, so pretty. Yeah, I mean, I put a pocket in the middle, so I 2 pockets, so I can put all my mobile phone, or you know. So yeah, like that. And then what else? We have a big master bedroom. I really love it. it's bright sunshine. I like sunshine. I like all the room is bright. I don't like dark and dull. Like, you know, I love in Scotland. Super, you know, that's my hometown. You know, I mean, second hometown. First Davao and then Scotland. But it's cold. But here it's like Philippines, warm. I really love it. So just easy. Put your sandals, flip-flops, and sleeveless, go out right away. You don't need to wear jackets or anything, you know, because it's just very comfy. Well, now it's warm, it's hot. I don't know, maybe 27, 28 degrees today. I don't know. I never checked to Alexa. So I'll show you later my food I made. So we'll see. So I mean, woke up this morning, done my hair, done my facial and all this mask, the gold mask, and then done my hair dried and curl a bit, and then wear the clothes that I made, and then I'm going to cook because just nothing to do. I mean yeah, I mean for not all the time, you know. I just cook once in a blue moon. I don't like cooking, you know. I don't like cooking, so my husband's always cooking, not me. But I do the dishes, but cooking, no, not me. I don't like cooking, but very occasional if I cook. So my husband's super happy if I cooked, like as in wow. So well guys, I'll show you the food later. Bye bye.